$950,000.
Lot 248 is the 1970 Ferrari 365 GTB4 Daytona prototype. Featured on the cover of Road & Track in October 1970, this is one of the first Daytonas to arrive stateside, delivered new to casino magnate Bill Harrah, and wearing his famous Nevada license plate. It's a matching numbers car in its original configuration. Take a look at page 204 of your catalog and notice where the speedometer needle is pegged. That's right, a Nevada Highway Patrol speed, be damned, 180 miles per hour on open roads. An amazing Daytona prototype is lot 248.
I would say that's a $500,000 bid right off the bat, standing here at $500,000. $600,000 I have. Do I have $700,000? $700,000, merci Jean. At $700,000, $800,000. Est-ce que j'ai $900,000 pour la Daytona Jean? On est arrivé sur 900 000, merci, at $900,000 I am bid. No, you're not. You're never out.
Like 6 months?
You're out. We'll calm things down. Not to worry. At $900,000, mon cher avec toi. At $900,000, then, do I have any advance? At $900,000, then, ladies and gentlemen, I shall sell the car at $900,000 if I have no better bid. At $900,000, then I'm going to count it down, ladies and gentlemen. At $900,000, it's going. $950,000. On est à 950 000. $1 million? Non? Merci pour l'enchère quand même. At 950 000, then at 950,000, then the bids from Shelby. It's selling, of course, at $950,000. So I have $1 million now. Well, at $950,000, then I'm selling, of course, and it's going for the first time. At $950,000, then it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. For the third and the last time. At $950,000, are we all done? All finished? At $950,000, last chance. Sold your car, $950,000, well done. No number, thank you, Chuck.